Visiting Paris soon? Then you've got to check out the Stravinsky Fountain, right beside the Centre Pompidou in the heart of the city. Welcome or welcome back. I'm Linda from Living Linda. On this channel, I share my travels and practical tips to help you explore new places and make the most out of your adventures abroad. This quirky open-air fountain was created in 1983 by artists Jean Tinguely and Niki de Phalle. And sorry if I'm totally mispronouncing their names. The colorful pieces, like these lips and hearts, are by de Phalle, while the black mechanical sculptures are by Tinguely. Together, they pay tribute to the composer Igor Stravinsky, with 16 whimsical works inspired by his music. It's free, it's fun, and it feels like an outdoor museum. Whether you're relaxing by the water, snapping photos, or just soaking in the creativity, this is one of Paris's most joyful spots. So next time you're in Paris, don't miss the Stravinsky Fountain, where art, music, and play all come together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss a video from Living Linda.